Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 3 in Premiere Pro, starting with the simplest solutions. Many times, this specific error points to a temporary glitch, possibly with system access or file permissions, preventing proper operation. A quick restart of Premiere Pro, and then your entire computer system, can often resolve this initial issue. This first crucial step takes less than 2 minutes and frequently clears the error, allowing you to resume your editing work promptly. When a simple restart does not work, clearing your media cache files is the next important step. Premiere Pro stores temporary files or cache to speed up your editing process. However, if these files become corrupted, they can cause a range of issues, including error code 3. Go into your Premiere Pro preferences, select Media Cache, and click Delete to remove these files, then restart Premiere Pro. This process typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes. An outdated graphics driver is another common reason for Premiere Pro errors, including error code 3. Your graphics card powers much of the video processing, so ensuring its drivers are current is essential for smooth operation. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's official website, like NVIDIA or AMD, to download the newest drivers. Install these updates, and then restart your computer to ensure they take full effect. This critical update usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Utilities are an important part of your budget, varying with usage and climate. For a small apartment, expect electricity and water to total 1,500 to 2,500 Thai baht monthly, particularly if air conditioning is frequently used. A reliable internet connection will add about 600 to 900 Thai baht. Don't forget mobile phone plans, which are quite affordable, usually around 300 to 500 Thai baht for good data packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.